How to send money from PayPal to a bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from PayPal to a bank account. You can transfer money from your PayPal balance account to your eligible linked bank account or debit card in two ways. To make an instant transfer to your bank account on the PayPal website, go to Wallet. Next, click Transfer Money and then click Transfer to your bank. Now select In Minutes and follow the instructions. To make a standard transfer to your eligible debit card or bank account on the PayPal website, first go to Wallet. Next, click Transfer Money and then Transfer to your bank. Select in 1 to 3 days and follow the instructions. To make a transfer to your eligible debit card or bank account on the app, first, tap your PayPal balance. After that, tap Transfer. Now tap Transfer to Bank at the bottom of the screen. Then select In Minutes or in 1 to 3 days with no fee and tap Transfer Now. If you selected Instant Transfer, you should see the money in your bank account in minutes, but this time frame may vary depending on the bank. If you don't see the money in your bank account after 30 minutes, contact your bank for more information. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.